Welcome back to Triple T Perspective. I'm out here on the Jasion EB7 2.0. I wanted to talk a little bit about this bike. We've purchased 3 of these when we got them. This one has this one has 725 miles. The one that my son rides has 800 and something. And we sold one recently because we're just getting too many bikes and don't need them all sitting around. So that one had 700 and something on it too. So these bikes are very reliable, and it's probably the least amount of clicks from this bike as any of them that we've shown on our channel, which is kind of shocking because I think it's one of the best built ones that we have. So that's one of the reasons I'm here. And also we have a discount code. If you use Jason 3, I'll drop that code, you get 3% off. Not just this bike, but any bike on their website. So they've got some pretty good other bikes on there that I'd like to actually ride myself, but I've got quite a few videos on this bike, this foldable bike on my channel, but haven't really featured it a lot and talked about it, so kind of wanted to put out a video. This bike will go 20, anywhere between 27 and 30, depending on your weight and the conditions, obviously. It's got all the features, you know, lights, front and back, horn, 7-speed Shimano. It's got the dual chain guard on the front, and you know, the front and rear suspension, and mechanical over hydraulic brakes. But just overall, this bike is just giving us no trouble at all. One bike that after we first got them about 50 miles, we had one of the free wheels go out, and they sent us one quick, responded really quick. And you know, we bought these bikes, these weren't given to us. So yeah, this bike is a very good built bike. I just you know, if you're in the market for a foldable e-bike and price range, this one fits right in, you know, most of the price ranges. I've got 3 of them, or I had 3, and we've rode them. They've been out in the rain. We've rode them all over. You can see on our channel, and they've held up very well. So I haven't rode this one in a while, but jumped on it and it took right off. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this bike and let everybody know, if you're looking for a foldable e-bike, you can't go wrong with this one here. I've had no trouble out of them, like I said, besides that one free wheel. So But yeah, don't forget to use our code. If you go on there, use our link and use our code. It doesn't have to apply to just this bike though. You can be on their site if you see a commuter style or something else you like, or that's what you're after. Our discount code works on those. So a lot of people see these videos, or they're looking at them, they don't realize that you have a discount code, and we would make a little bit of money off of them. Yeah, like maybe 3%, not much, but every little bit helps. But every little bit helps on when you're buying a e-bike too. Nice savings. So but I wanted to make a video because these bikes may not be on our channel much longer, because the people that bought the one, they're begging us to sell them another one. So we're contemplating selling these bikes, the last two we have, and making room for new bikes. So before I move on from this bike, I kind of want to put out maybe one last hoorah video on it.